President Biden is addressing immigration right away. He already signed an executive order to stop construction of the border wall.
Now, he's also working on pausing deportations and safeguarding the DACA program. Immigration attorney Alex Ozols joins us live with more on what we need to know. Alex, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning.
What do we know about the president's plan to provide a path to citizenship?
So if you're living in the U.S. as of January 1st, 2021, you have an 8-year path to citizenship. Now, first, you have to get a 5-year path to a green card. So if you're paying your taxes, if you haven't been deported, you can pass background checks, all of this stuff, then you can qualify for the 5-year green card. Now, after the 5-year green card, you wait 3 more years, you do the same thing, you pass a background check, you continue to pay taxes, and then you can get a citizenship through naturalization.
Does it matter how you came here? Does that mean you would have had to come here legally with some kind of paperwork?
It doesn't matter how you came here. So you could come here illegally, but just so you know, this plan isn't going to get people to essentially flock to the U.S. Now, it says in the plan it has to be January 1st, 2021. So if someone came in today, if someone came in tomorrow, they wouldn't qualify for this plan. They have to be in the country. Now, obviously, it's going to be kind of hard to figure out when they entered the country, but they're going to do that by whether someone paid taxes, if they paid rent, if they have any proof that they're in the country as of January 1st, 2021.
Tell us about the impact this is going to have on Dreamers.
So Dreamers, this is a little bit different for them. Dreamers, agricultural workers, and people on protective visas, they have a different path. They may be able to apply for a green card right away, which is pretty cool for them because now they only have a 3-year path to citizenship. So as long as they can pass background checks and do certain other things, they're working or they're in school, they can apply for a green card potentially immediately, and then they could have citizenship within 3 years.
Alex, we're seeing images, not these pictures, but we've been seeing images out of Guatemala, a lot of people heading to the U.S. through Mexico. What is going on there? Because some of the things that we're hearing these people say is like, we're so happy that Biden is president, we're going to be able to enter the United States. Is there some miscommunication going on in those countries as to how they're going to be able to get in?
Yeah, they're not. I mean, there's no way that they're not just letting everyone in. Again, I mean, this immigration plan, if you were in the U.S. as of January 1st, 2021, then you can be eligible for a path to citizenship. Now, some certain visas may be easier to get at this point, but there's a disconnect here. These people are not understanding. Anyone who comes in tomorrow, next week, the week after that, they wouldn't apply for this plan. It's potential that, maybe in 3 years, 4 years, there could be another plan, but that's not the idea. The idea is to halt everyone coming through the border and to help the people who've been in the country for this long of time.
It's a new administration. Not everyone's had a chance to really review all the policies and ideas regarding immigration that the new administration, the Biden administration, has. Anything else that sticks out to you that our viewers need to know here with us being a border state?
Well, it's an interesting plan because before this, nothing existed. Before Biden, you would either have to get a marriage-based visa or you would have to get a part of the green card lottery, which was essentially given to a very small amount of people all around the world. So this is a very, very progressive plan. In the last 20 years or so, this will be the most progressive immigration plan, and it will be one of the most progressive immigration plans of all time. There was never a path for someone to get citizenship if they were working in the U.S., paying taxes, pass background checks, just because they came here illegally.
Okay. Great to talk to you. I know this is an important conversation we're going to continue to have as the president signs more laws into action. And now, Alex, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Alex.